Today I am going to show you a very quick example of how to make mechanical power for a Helve hammer. Here's the setup. And here's the Helve hammer working. So, over here, what you're going to want is a large wooden gear. And then you build it up with wooden axles. Place down another large wooden gear. Then you're going to grab any block of your choice, build it out under in the direction you want your windmill.
And then you're going to place a wooden axle. And all that wooden, well, you don't have to place a wooden axle, but you can place one to extend it if you want. You want to use as little material as possible.
Just go ahead and place a windmill rotor down and attach a gear to it. Angled gears. And then you delete these.
You get your sails.
And you put them on. You're going to need quite a bit of sails if you want a powerful one, a powerful windmill. You can also put them, multiple ones, on each side.
If you want to. You don't have to, but it does mean you can run the anvil, or you can run the Helve hammer at lower wind speeds. After you get that down, you'll come down here and you'll see this is moving.
Now, this is where you will put down a wooden angle, attach a gear to it, and there you go. Then you attach the wooden toggle
with this, the Helve hammer base behind it, and then attach the Helve hammer
to the base. And if you attach it correctly and not backwards as I did,
you'll have a fully functioning Helve hammer.
Just like that. And you can continue to attach more as you need, but the more you have, the slower they'll run in total. And right now, this is the strongest wind you'll ever see in the game.